Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NHPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of, actually, I think I'm going to just get rid of all of these because there's really no need to overcomplicate this one. And the reason I'm getting rid of that, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Monday, but if you did watch that video, then you remember, well, hopefully you remember me talking about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And really that's a very straightforward way to gauge the overall health of the chart. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. And kind of a moral of the story way to look at things from the grand scheme of things is just as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. Now, I get it from maybe if you're some sort of day trader or flipper or something like that, and if you bought up around here, well then yeah, for you, from that perspective, this pullback here is pretty rough for you. But remember, that's just 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and the price is still actually quite a bit of a ways up above that purple line. Now, it's getting close, but still a ways up above there. So from that point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. And, I don't even need to expand the chart out. I need to illustrate this, but there's been plenty of times where the price is pulled back. There's a bigger pullback right there. There's a pullback right there. And you can see with each pullback, they all prove to be healthy. As the price did indeed recover. What do I mean by prove to be healthy? Well, it's all about lows. As long as the price is building higher lows, and I realize this is kind of just bootleg, but I'm just trying to get across the point. That's the idea. That's the moral of the story. So focus on building the higher bases, and everything else will continue to take care of itself. I'm well aware that if you're a day trader flipper and you bought somewhere up around here and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes, then yeah, for you the chart looks rough. But all these comments I have made have been based and geared towards those that care about the grand scheme of it all. And from that point, again, sure, it pulled back today, but today, 1 day. Looking at multiple days here, you can see there's still plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. So that's what you want to see going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.